This is the projects page. Here you find listed all the models you uploaded. For each model you see the poster, the name you assigned, and the number of configurations inside the little circle on the top left corner. The configurations are variants of the same model, and we will briefly talk more about them. Hover the mouse above the poster, and a red bar with a bin button appears on the right side. That is the delete button, and it removes a project with all its associated configurations. We have a security procedure. When you click the delete button, you are requested to enter the name of the project you are deleting to confirm your will. Let's now see the result of your previous upload. Click on the poster to access the configurations page.